welcome back to another episode of the Mukbang Eating Show. Today we're enjoying our turkey feast. We have a turkey leg, we have some ham, a biscuit, some salad, some mashed potatoes, and some stuffing. Now let's go ahead and dig in, shall we? Go ahead and dig into this turkey leg. Nice and moist. Very flavorful. My favorite part, the skin. So good. Has the most flavor of them all. Delicious. Let's go ahead and try our ham. It's so good. Whoa. Very moist and flavorful. Yummy. Delicious. Yummy. This is one huge turkey leg. So good. I hope all you YouTubers are having a great Thanksgiving and enjoying yourselves with your family and your loved ones. And I hope you guys are enjoying a delicious turkey feast. I know I'm thankful for all of you, my viewers, all my fans. Thank you for all your nice comments. I really appreciate it, and I am thankful for all of you. So there you have it, food freaks. Some delicious turkey from Thanksgiving. So good. That's it for today, food freaks. Until next time we eat again, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.